One of the hardest illnesses to cure is old age, because every organ, tissue, cell, and cell component age at different rates, creating a complex pathology. Drugs can momentarily block this by acting on some switches that turn off single symptoms in all patients. But the impossibility to stop aging in its complexity will lead to lengthening life but not improving its quality. Our stem cells are not a drug, but a small pharmaceutical house that produces the right drug at the right time. They inform, through chemical and energy mechanisms, the complex psycho-neuro-endocrine-immune network that governs all the structures that make up the organism, including the subatomic one that we still don't understand. Therefore, they work in advance on many illnesses that scourge old age, such as Alzheimer's disease and cancer. The result is a brilliant old age with an active body and mind coupled with the experience and wisdom of a lifetime. In the case of serious and complex pathologies, such as old age, where the quality of stem cells obtained from the sick individual could be compromised, it is preferable to use stem cells from a young and healthy subject, rich in good energy and healing capacity and suitable to reorganize a very sick organism. A real regenerative drug to aid pharmacological therapy and surgery. Here are a few case histories treated with our stem cells. Hope is a Great Dane that Daniela rescued when he was 10 years old. He had leishmaniasis, chronic nephritis, and was completely debilitated by ill treatment. You can see how a correct therapy together with blood stem cells has transformed him. In the film, he is 11 years old. This is Hope 2 months later. Here is my wife Gaia with him, 11 years old, which is very old for a Great Dane. Charlie is a 15-year-old Maltese. 3 years ago, he was diagnosed with Cushing's disease and he has received autologous and allogenic stem cells about every 6 months. The boldness has improved and the dog is now extremely active and very much alive. Charlie is very tired and shows skin symptoms of Cushing's disease. A year later, Charlie's skin and spirit are much better. Charlie 2 years later. Charlie, 3 years later, has recovered and is happily enjoying his old age. This mare is 28 years old and has this neurological pathology due to either cervical compression or a stroke. The stem cells were inoculated IV and locally in the altered cervical vertebra joints. Days later, her gait was transformed.